Greetings, everyone. My name is Arya Upadhyay. Today, I stand before you not just as a technologist, but as a crusader in the fight against misinformation. With Factivism, we're pioneering a new frontier in the realm of news validation, one where integrity meets intellect to forge a future enlightened by fact, not fiction. We're navigating an unprecedented challenge: misinformation. It spreads faster and with more agility than ever before, disrupting societies, swaying public opinion, and undermining trust in our institutions. Factivism is my answer to this crisis. A meticulously crafted machine learning system trained to dissect news content, assess its veracity, and equip you with the power to discern truth from deception. Factivism's core is its proprietary machine learning model, trained on an expansive dataset featuring a spectrum of news qualities from the highest journalistic standards to the lowest credibility offenders. It recognizes the subtleties and semantics of language used in true reporting. Factivism isn't just an app, it's a statement, a stance against misinformation. My machine learning algorithm isn't just a filter, it's a sophisticated news analyst, all within your pocket. This isn't Factivism's intelligence is internalized. It's trained to assess article credibility anonymously and similar to a seasoned journalist's instinct, without needing to cite external databases, thus remaining unbiased and current. Developing Factivism was as challenging as it was inspiring, building an algorithm that not only understands text, but also its underlying truthfulness involved countless hours of coding, testing, and learning from each iteration. Central to Factivism is a machine learning model trained on a dataset of known truths and false. It's more than lines of code. It's a data-driven mind that grows wiser with each article analyzed. The fight against misinformation isn't just about flagging what's false. It's about affirming what's true. Factivism aims to reinforce the value of factual reporting by providing a platform where truth is clearly illuminated. While not released, I invite you to envision Factivism's potential with me. Picture a world where every citizen has a tool that helps them navigate news with confidence, bolstering our collective wisdom. In the journey of Factivism, we strive not only to create an app, but to spark a movement towards a world where information is a tool for enlightenment, not manipulation. In my next version for this app, I aim on bolstering not only language expansion, but also our user-friendly interface, and then iterate this in educational environments so that it reaches to a more diverse experience. Now let's get to behind the scenes of the code. So this is the model. So I'm going to show you the like the databases that I used. So this is the fake data set. It spans from 2016 to 2017, and this is all fake news. Then I have my real news, my true news. This also spans from 2016 to 2017. As you can see, it's an expansive database. Next, let's go on to my model. So this is my model's code. This is what essentially it works on. And you can see an example of how I wrote it in here. So as you can see, you have the title, Drunk Bragging Trump Staffer Started Russian Collection Investigation. And as you can see, this is not exactly true because this is a false database. So our model uses single prediction comparing actual subject with predicted subject from our sample data. And that's the score it's supposed to give us. So let's try to run this. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the title and we have the subject and the date. So what happens is that my machine learning system, it evaluates it and it gives us a score. So the score we got is a 0.27, 0.14, and so on. That is a bad score. Anything that would be true would be above a 1. So as we can see, this title is false.